Okay, this is number 35 on page 342, and in this problem we have to write an equation of the function that has a y-intercept of positive 2, so that would be the ordered pair 0, 2. So we know that that's a point on the parabola, and x-intercepts 1 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So of course that's the point 1, 0, and this is the point 5, 0. And so we know that the axis of symmetry, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the vertex must be somewhere here on x equals 3. So somehow, this graph comes down like so. We can see that it opens up, it comes down to some value and turns around and goes back up like so. So we can do this using the roots and the fact that we know an x and a y right there that are on this graph. So I'm going to use the pattern y is equal to a times x squared minus the sum of the roots times x plus the product of the roots. I can just FOIL together x minus 1 times x minus 5 also to do that. So anyway, the sum of the roots is 6, and the product of the roots is 1 times 5, or 5. So in general form, I'm going to have y is equal to some a value times x squared minus 6x plus 5. Now to find a, I just need to use an x and a y. So I'm going to use, this point right here for x and y and plug that in and find the value of a, because I need to get, the exact parabola that has this point on it and these y or these x-intercepts, these roots. So let's plug in the 0 for x here and here, and the y for 2 here. So 2 is equal to a times 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 5. So this whole thing, 0, 0 is a 5. So 2 is equal to 5 times a. So a is equal to 2/5. And now I'll put that 2/5 back in here to get the final, which is y is equal to 2/5 times x squared minus 6x plus 5. Okay, which is fine. That's a form of the equation, but in your book they're showing this this 2/5 distributed to each term. So y is equal to 2/5 x squared minus 12/5 x plus 5 times 2/5 is just a 2, which is really kind of a weird form to work with. In actuality, usually we would clear the fraction. We would probably rather see these all stated in vertex form, but anyway, this is the way your book is showing the answers. So that is it.